friends, this is Miss Marissa, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make holiday greeting cards. You'll need some white paper, some yellow paper, some green paper, and some black paper, and some markers for our Christmas card. So what you're gonna do with your white paper, you're gonna take it from this, fold it in half this way, so it looks like a normal card. And you're just gonna put that to the side for now. You're gonna take a half a yellow sheet, and I'll link below the template for the Christmas tree. We're gonna cut most of a tree, you're gonna cut a little bit off, and black paper for our window pane. So what we're gonna do, first we're gonna put some glue on our Christmas tree. And then you're gonna put your tree on your yellow paper. Just like that. And if you want, you can add a star up at the top. Just like that. And then you're gonna need your markers to decorate. What I like to do is draw some lines to pretend like it's the string lights. But you can do whatever you want. You can draw popcorn, you can make a string of cranberries. However you like to decorate your tree, it's completely up to you. So then what I would do, I would start drawing in lights, like this, and maybe some ornaments, until you get the tree that you're looking for. Don't go too crazy decorating because we're eventually gonna cover up all of the all of the tree anyway with the window. So now we want our paper back, and make sure it opens like a card. And we're gonna put the glue on the back side of the tree. And we're gonna glue that to our white paper. And this part is gonna maybe be a little confusing, but it's not too bad, I promise. So now we're gonna take our black pieces of the window pane that we cut out from our template, and we're gonna put one long piece on the side, and we're gonna put one long piece in the middle. Just like that. And we're gonna take the last long piece and put it on the other side. Just like that. Now we're gonna take our small pieces and we're gonna put one on the bottom, and we're gonna put one in the middle, and we're gonna put one on top. Now if you have a silver or white marker, now you can make little snowflakes on the window because it's supposed to look like you're looking inside a window at the tree. And you can decorate it however you want. And Merry Christmas. Now we're gonna make a card for Hanukkah. Same thing, white paper. I'm using blue for the candles because blue and white and silver are colors that are associated with Hanukkah, but you can use whatever color you want. You can use old wrapping paper, newspaper cutouts, anything like that, magazine pieces, whatever you feel like. And instead of being an up and down card, this one we're gonna do side by side this way. And it's gonna be super easy because all you're gonna do is we're gonna glue our pieces of our candle like this. And just make sure that you have 9 pieces and that the middle piece, called the shamus, is bigger than all of the others because that's a helper candle, so it needs to be bigger than all of his friends. Once you have your candles on, you're going to take some yellow paper for your flame. For our candles. And then when you're finished with that, if you'd like, what you can do is take a blue marker or yellow marker or whatever color marker you want. I'm going to stick with blue to go with the blue theme we've got going. Oops. One more. And I'm going to take my blue, and this part I can't do upside down, otherwise it will not be the right way. And you can just write Happy Hanukkah. And there are about 1,000,000 different ways to spell Hanukkah, but I'm sure your loved one won't mind what one you choose. And now we're gonna make one for Kwanzaa. So the same thing with a card, except we're gonna do it like this. And you'll need some brown paper, some red paper, some green paper, and some black paper. And much like a menorah or a Hanukkah for Hanukkah, for Kwanzaa, we use a kinara. So we're gonna put our kinara down, just like this. And the 7 candles, right here, are based on the 7 principles of Kwanzaa. And we use 1, 2, 3 red, with a black in the middle. And then our green goes next to it, just like this. And then we're just going to put our flames on top of our candles. Now on our kinara, you can write Happy Kwanzaa, you can write Kwanzaa blessings, you can write the 7 principles. However you feel, you can just leave it blank. Whatever you want to do for your Kwanzaa card. I think for this one we'll take our black marker and write Kwanzaa blessings. And there you have it. Happy holidays, friends.